Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm excited as I'll be sharing with you guys another Botswana traditional recipe, Dikgobe or Samp. Dikgobe is a combination of beans and samp, which is processed dried corn kernels that have been stamped and chopped into medium pieces. In America, they call it white hominy corn. Goya product, you can get this at any Mexican stores, Asian stores, Indian stores, or any store that carry Goya products. This dish can be served with meat dishes like beef stew, chicken, lamb, goat meat, or Setswana. You can go watch my video that I uploaded just recently. Setswana is pulled beef. Go check it out, guys. In Botswana, when we cook this dish, it's usually served for lunch or served as a ceremonial dish for things like weddings, events, and Independence Day. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. This recipe, it requires very few ingredients, guys. The samp, I'm using black eyed peas. You can use canola, vegetable oil, or olive oil, salt, and water. That's it. This is the traditional way how we make it. But there are some variations out there, guys. Some people, they add vegetables. Some people, they cook it in a different way, which as time goes on, I'll be showing you my classic samp. First things first, we're gonna wash the corn and the beans. There will be some tiny pieces from corn kernels, guys, floating to the top. Make sure you remove those because you don't wanna end up with your samp having some hard corn. We're gonna wash this until the water runs clear. This is how it looks, guys. Into the Instant Pot, I have beans and corn. Then I'm gonna add water and oil. So guys, we're not gonna add salt at this point. We're gonna let this cook until it's soft, tender, and soupy. I'm gonna close the lid and set my timer to 1 hour 30 minutes. I can't tell you how long it will take for it to be done because back home we cook this dish on an open fire outside, guys. So let me say roughly 1 hour to 2 hours. I think it will be done, but I'll tell you at the end of the video. It's been 2 hours, guys. I think our samp is ready. This is how it's gonna look, guys. Don't worry about it. Just take the spatula or wooden spoon and mix everything together. At this point, we're gonna add salt to taste. I always eyeball it. I'm used to it, guys. We never measure anything. We just eyeball eat everything. Even when we make bread, we don't have recipes. We just follow what our parents, our moms taught us. And they never use recipes too. Okay, now I'm gonna taste to see if I have enough salt. Perfect. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. There you have it, Samp. Try this recipe. If you like it, let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.